Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with 2 cups of Japanese short-grain sushi rice and place it in a fine mesh sieve. Rinse under cold water until the runoff is clear, about 5 to 6 rinses. Transfer the rinsed rice to the Zojirushi inner pan and add water to the 2-cup mark, or use 1 to 1. 15 times the rice volume depending on your model, then let the rice soak for 30 minutes at room temperature so grains hydrate evenly before cooking. Accurate measuring avoids gummy or dry rice. Place the inner pan in your Zojirushi and choose the sushi setting if available. Otherwise, use the standard white rice program. The microcomputer adjusts heating and timing for short-grain rice. Once the cooking cycle finishes, let the rice rest inside the closed cooker for 10 minutes to complete steam absorption. Do not open during that rest. Turn off, keep warm, and transfer rice to a wooden or plastic hangiri for seasoning. Leaving rice in keep warm will dry and harden the grains and reduce shine. Prepare sushi vinegar for 2 cups cooked rice. Combine 1/3 cup rice vinegar, 3 tablespoon granulated sugar, and 1 tsp fine salt in a small saucepan. Warm until sugar dissolves and cool to room temperature. Transfer hot rice to a hangiri or a wide, shallow bowl and pour the seasoned vinegar over the rice. Use a rice paddle to cut and fold the grains with a slicing motion while fanning to cool to roughly body temperature. This creates glossy grains without crumbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.